Hello, welcome back to Pro Metal Buildings. We're going to do a two-car garage today through the 3D Builder. So I'll go to the state of California today and get started on that. Once you're in here, of course, up in the center top, you're going to see all the information about a default. This is what it defaults to. And then off to the right-hand panel, we're going to go stick with garages, and this is the one that it defaults to. We're going to make this a little bit, we're going to stick with the size there, but we're going to make it a little taller. And the reason I say that is because we want to put two doors on here, and let's see what this size is. It's a 10 by 10, and we can put two of those on here. If you hit this little number here, that'll clone it. We want to be 2 feet taller here than we are the height of the door, because these doors roll into themselves inside the building, so up in this area. So if we're not tall enough, as they roll into a canister, they get larger and larger, and then eventually they will hit some of the framework. So if you have two doors on there, you'll want to be at least 2 feet taller on this point. If you have just one door, then you'll still want to be a minimum of 1 to 2 feet here as well. And then if you want to add a walk door, you can certainly do that. Hit the doors and then, excuse me, right here, and then the walk door, and you can do it there. You can move it around. And if we have different options, if you hit the pencil, it'll allow you to maybe do a bigger door. Maybe you just want to frame out, or maybe you have another note here you want to write. Feel free to use that and let us know if there's some special thing. There's also windows, so we can click on that and put a window in. You can do it on all sides as well if you wanted to. Just make sure that you're click on the side in which you're going to be wanting to put a window or door on. So, and then there's frame outs as well. So if you have your own door, you can just do a frame out, and then then you can put the door on. We typically won't put your door on for you if you have a pre-purchased door, just because of the responsibility in that. In any case, if you follow this down, you can also change the colors. So we'll do a roof pebble beige. We'll stick with the body of pebble beige, and then the trim will go with earth brown. And as you can see, there's your building. Now this is really good for like residential areas where maybe you don't have a garage, or just need an extra storage, or you have more cars. So certainly these are really great for the residential, and a two-car garage is fantastic for residential. So there you go. This is the dimensions below, the background. You can do a frame only if you really want to see kind of how the building is constructed. In any case, well, once you're done with that, you can insulate it. You've got some other options here, so feel free to go through that. This is always fun doing this, the cupola. And so that's always a fun little add-on. We don't offer them for all states, but obviously the state of California we can. It'll let us know what kind of ground surface you're on. And if you don't have electricity, hit the little toggle. You can write also any information in here if you're permitting, what you need your wind and snow ratings to be, and so on. Once you're done with that, if you hit save and share, it's going to basically take some shots of your building in different angles. You'll see this as it comes into your email. This will prompt you to put your name and your email into the information. It will send you a copy of everything you've just done, and you'll get a PDF with that as well, so you can see all the breakdown of everything. There you go. Hit save. You'll get a copy, so will we, and we will be in touch with you. You can give us a call also once you've done your design. If you have more questions, 888-536-1585. We're happy to help. Thanks for visiting Pro Metal Buildings.